Today we are going to do a very interesting experiment. Can you guess which one? Yes, you're right. We are going to do walking water experiment. It is the sixth experiment from the instruction manual. For that we need 5 transparent glasses, water and some 4 tissue papers to make strips of them. And to color them we need the red color, blue color and the yellow color. So let's get started. First we are going to fill the water in them till the top. In the 3 glasses. In 3 glasses we have filled the water. So now our combination will be 1 filled and 1 empty. This one filled, this empty, and this is the last one filled. So now we are going to mix the color. The first one will be red. Kashvi's favorite color. Second favorite, not favorite. We have to mix 6 to 7 drops. That's enough, but the bottom part is not coming. Let me mix it first. It might fall. Let's wash it with the brush. And now, my favorite color, blue, will come in the second edge. Yellow will come. No, blue will come. Mixy. We are going to mix it. And now yellow. In the middle. We both will do half pink color. Now your turn. Yes, now we are done mixing all the colors. Now comes the strips part. We are going to fold them into half or into inverted V shapes and going to put them like this. Now we are going to put it like this. And the last strip. As now this blue is traveling from the tissue paper, you can see the blue color in the tissue. This is the blue color. And like the yellow is traveling into this cup, so you can see the yellow is also coming this side. And red is very fast because red color goes fast. It has already reached here. Now we are going to wait for a couple of hours and see the magic. Look, 20 minutes have passed. Let's see, is our water working or not? Look, red is coming in the empty glass and yellow is also coming. And can you guess which color will be? Yes, you are right. It will be orange. Blue is coming into this glass, which yellow is also coming in this glass. Guess what? What will be the color? Yes, you are right. It will be green. Here can see a little bit of green and orange in the glasses. So we will come back after few minutes or hours. We are back after 3 hours. The water has walked. The blue water came into this cup and the yellow water also came into this cup. They mixed it and from green color.
And red came to this cup and yellow also came to this cup. It made orange color. Did you like it?
Yes, I like the experiment. I want to do many more fun experiments like this. You can also try this experiment. It is very easy. Bye. We will see you in the next experiment.